Hi there, welcome back to our metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Scal-e, which is basically an agile cloud marketing platform, right? So they are technically a customer data platform. So they aggregate all the data from your different um, databases and they aggregate them in one platform to be able to provide you with information that can help with your marketing. Okay, so straight away we can see the headline is very clear and the subheadline clearly explains what they do, which is great. If we go and click on request a demo right here, we can see that it takes us to a contact form and it's good because it's not that long, right? It just asks for the most important things and it gets you to pick the specific solution that you're looking for, right? And then you can talk a little bit about what you need from them, which is great. Um, a good thing that they do here as well is that they clearly explain what's gonna happen once you provide your contact details. And this is important in order to manage the expectations from filling out the forms. From up here, and what they do here, which is good, they also have some credibility elements in terms of the testimonials and the statistics that they've been able to enhance for their clients. And all this person, for example, is praising how Scale is able to customize everything depending on the needs. So this is really powerful. The of credibility and social proof. Same thing with this person right here, stating how managing their customer data has become a lot easier since using this platform. Okay, and here even more credibility in the footer due to all the brands that they've worked with and some high-profile brands like Kellogg's. Okay, so really good credibility right here. Okay, if we go back to the home page just to check, if you go down, we can see they've got more explanation about the solutions that they offer, and because they are basically a customer data platform. And again, we can see the credibility from before, which is good. And they also have a FAQ session. And frequently asked questions are very helpful in order to remove any concerns that a prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. And they might make it more likely to increase the conversions. And also they've got some posts here that you can go and read. So this is good. I believe one thing that they could do to increase the number of opt-ins is potentially adding a contact form above the fold here and potentially adding an incentive for prospect to fill out the form, whether that is by adding a freebie or a discount or any kind of incentive to get them to provide the details might be very helpful. Okay. And other things that I may do that I think usually done in order to increase conversions is definitely setting up A/B tests. But before setting up A/B tests, it's important to do a lot of customer research and data research. And to do that, we would collect usually data using heat maps in order to track where the uh, prospects are usually clicking on the website. And if we see that they are focusing their attention on parts of the website that is not really meant to be focused on too much and it doesn't really lead to too much conversions, then they might be able to change those parts of the website in order to redirect them to higher converting sections. Okay, and this would then form the basis of potentially, um, adding an A/B test, for example. We've got a lot of testimonials here, a couple of testimonials, like, and then we would test, okay, what would happen to the conversions if we moved it straight above the fold, okay, or what would happen if we added the contact from here, right? These are things that conversion rate optimization specialists would test regularly. Okay, but other than that, I think this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you happen to be a B2B SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call with me, and hopefully I can see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.